Hey, this is Ken, the content coach, and today we're looking at the Neewer collapsible beauty dish. This is 27.5 inches, and we're gonna take a look at it today on this overcast sky here in Stanford. I'm gonna show you the beauty dish first, just so you can get an idea of what this looks like when you purchase it. And also we're gonna take some photos with my male photographer, my cameraman right now, my brother-in-law, John. Now, like I said, this is the Neewer collapsible beauty dish. It's 27.5 inches, and when you buy it, you get this nice little bag here with a pull string. I'm gonna open this up so we can take a look at the actual dish itself. Now, once you get it out of the bag, you notice it's kind of small. I mean, it's not very big. It looks like it's about maybe a foot and a half or so, but this is what you get. They also have a nice drawstring, or a Velcro string rather, around here so you can make it a little smaller. Now, I'm gonna open this up, and inside you'll get your diffusion fabric right there. And then let's take a look at the actual beauty dish. Let's open this up as much as we can. Now, I want you to get in here right now to take a look at how this works. Now, unlike other beauty dishes, this has quite a weird mechanism. You can notice that they have all plastic joints, and how it works is that you push down on these joints like this, and what that does is expands this beauty dish and also locks it open. Now, obviously, as you keep doing it, there's going to be more tension, and then when you get to the last one, it's kind of struggle. But this is what it looks like fully open. You can see it's fairly large. They have this nice flash plate here, and on the back of it you have a drawstring here for more fabric so no light leaks out of this when you're shooting. And then on the back underneath that you have this aluminum Bowen's mount. So this is essentially the entire beauty dish, and what's nice about this is the octagon, so you get a nice round catch light in the subject's eye when you're shooting. And also what I like about this, it has this white lining inside, not silver, so there is some kind of diffusion too. And honestly, it's fairly lightweight. You can see you can pack it in a bag or just hang it off of you. And then we're gonna put this on my stand. We'll do that right now just to show you how easy it is to get it up there. So put this on here right now, line these up, and boom. All right, so it snaps right into place. This is what it looks like without the diffusion, but now I'm gonna add that diffusion fabric that comes with this beauty dish. So what's interesting about this fabric is that unlike other fabrics, you don't have Velcro. So this kind of slips over on top of this. So I'm gonna put this on here now. And it's actually very, very simple. Put this on here. This is ready to go pretty much. Let's make sure it's on. And boom. This is essentially the size of it. You can see it's fairly large, but it's not too big where it could be an issue. I am gonna put some weights on this stand so it doesn't blow over. But again, it's a really overcast day here in Stanford. There isn't much wind, so I'm not too worried about this. What is nice about overcast sky is that you have very even light because the clouds act like a huge softbox, so you won't have any harsh shadows or anything on your subject. But as for this beauty dish, I think it's a pretty good, it does a pretty good job. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some photos with it. I'm gonna show you some samples to see how it falls on your subject's face. And we'll do some close-ups and some full bodies here just to see how much of that light hits the body, because not exactly the largest beauty dish, but I think it can handle full bodies pretty well. So now that John is recording, we're gonna get him to stop recording, and now we're gonna shoot John to show you some samples. So let's get that started right now. So for this shoot, I am using my AD200 Pro. It's a very compact flash from Godox. It does a really great job. You can see there's an actual bulb on here. And I think that the size of this flash, the size of that beauty dish, this makes it very easy and compact to get to certain shoots because you don't have to lug around big flashes. This little one can do the job. Paired with that small flash beauty dish, I think we're gonna be in good shape. So I'm gonna put this on there now, and then we'll start shooting. All right, so I just want to show you the back of this. Come a little closer. You can see that this fabric goes over, and then you have this pull string right here. So again, no light will leak out from the back, which is really nice. And again, this overall dish, just for like, I guess, function, is doing a really good job. But let's see how it does with actual photos, shall we? Hi. Future Ken the content coach here. I'm editing this piece right now, and I realized that overcast sky isn't the best to show off a flash. So I did use this beauty dish before this shoot, and it was super sunny. It was very fallish. So I'll have some photos from that shoot at the end of this video. But enjoy this video now, and then stick around and you'll see some samples from the shoot before this shoot with the same beauty dish. And you'll see me fighting the sun a little bit with it, which I think you'd like. Okay, back to the video. Now I forgot to tell you what I'm shooting with today. I have my Canon EOS RP with the 50mm 1.4 on it. I have an adapter on the camera because I don't have any RF lenses yet. And one thing I'm dealing with is that the autofocus isn't working because of the adapter. Usually it does, but it's not working right now. But don't fret, you can just use manual focus and really try to get tight and really try to keep a notice on what you're getting. Also, of course, peaking helps, and that draws a little line around your subject to show that they're in focus. So just keep that in mind. If things don't work out, don't say anything to your subject because they're gonna flip out. You on the back end have to fix it, and that's what I did just now. So we're gonna keep shooting, we're gonna keep moving, and we're gonna get some full bodies now. Keep it there. So my overall thoughts on the Neewer 27.5-inch beauty dish. I think it does a really good job. Very impressed on how compact it can get and how easy it is to move around. I think when it comes to some of the close-ups with that catching of the eye with the light, I think it does a really good job. You can see how round it is in the light in this photo. And overall, I would give this 8.5 out of 10. And the only reason that I'm giving it that score is because if you notice inside, these plastic joints that hold it open, I'm afraid that they can crack. So this might not be the best beauty dish for the long run, but definitely short term, it gets the job done. You can collapse it, you can take it with you, and you can get this thing for under $60 on Amazon. And I'll have links in the description below. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this beauty dish. Again, it's under 60 bucks, and I think it does a fairly good job. But if you like this video, please leave a like. If you love this video, please subscribe, and also hit that bell notification icon because I put new videos out every week. I'm Ken, the content coach. Now go out and make something.